Okay guys, welcome back. I've got the kids 255 and I've got Dane behind me. And he's carrying a ball bat, so I better not lift off to him. So this is one of the to-do jobs for winter, guys. This is how we get our potatoes planted and our onions planted very early in the spring. We would usually put in a little bit of garlic. I don't know if it's too late to do garlic yet, but this was on the honey to-do list to make those ridges in the garden. There's the residue from the sweet sorghum. But this is the machine that I use to do that. And it is an old Lister cultivator. You can see the cultivator shanks, but you know, you could adjust those. There's an infinite, should clean that off, but there's an infinite amount of adjustment on that. Those two bolts, you can loosen that bolt and twist that disc any way you want it, you know, from a minimum aggression to a really aggressive. We've got it set in maximum aggressive. But the way these toolbars were built with holes on them, you know, you can pretty much do anything with this toolbar and do any shank arrangement that you want. But how this was set up was a two-row cultivator, and the discs pulled dirt away from the row, and then the shank came along. You have one of this old style cultivator shanks with all the adjustments on it, but you would come along with this, and there were different shovels on it. This is just something I dug out of the iron pile, but you could put all kinds of different shovels on it. But as a cultivator, you know, your row would be in between here. You would have these two discs spread more, and your row would be there, and you would be cutting away, and then you would be coming along and throwing dirt back into the row. I think there were two of these on each row unit, or between each row, and I took them off and just left one shank on there. But there were a bunch of these made. You can find them. I'll show you the tag here. It says Continental Farm Equipment, Omaha, Nebraska. Serial number CFE, and I can't quite make out that last little bit. But it was a little two-row, I think you called it a Lister cultivator, or a Curlin cultivator. Maybe that's what you call it, a Curlin cultivator. But anyway, I just changed it around and drive through the field, and in a single pass I can make that. And those are on 30-inch centers, and so next year we can come along with our two-row 30-inch cultivators. We've got a couple of them, various configurations of them, and cultivate your onions and your potatoes. So thanks for watching, guys.